Hi, I'm Audrey,
I'm Bob here.
and today's burning question is how to increase conversions on your website. And that's a really good question.
Yeah. First of all, how to increase conversions on your website, you have to define conversion. So whether your
Yeah.
website is to collect leads
Yes.
or to get a sale or actually get someone to actually sign up as a member. So you define the conversion on your website. So what I always tell people who are doing marketing or any people who running a website is always have one conversion goal. So if your landing page is for selling a product or signing up for interest or whether it's signing up for a membership, always put that goal of the website in in a visible manner. So
Yes.
make sure there's one goal for your web pages and make sure that people will actually reach that goal. So that's how first you set your objectives and then you set the goal that you want people who visit your website to do.
And I think always think about context as well, who
Yeah.
you are reaching out to, right? Many times you're going to be you have one product, but for one product, there will be different demographics of people. There are different people who use your products maybe differently as well. So when you are actually advertising, what I would suggest is that build a few landing pages for very specific customer avatar. Speak their lingo, right? You can't have one message for everyone. Everyone have a different pain point. Everyone have a different thing that they are looking for, and that's what you need to do. Have a page that is related to your customer avatar, and by doing that, you can actually increase your conversion rates very easily. Is there anything else you want to add?
That's great. So like understanding your customers and talking with customers is very important. So
Yeah.
part of understanding your customers is also understanding their social proof.
Yeah.
So if you are selling a software, you might want to put in some testimonies or case studies of people who use your software. If you're selling a product, if you're an e-commerce, put in some of the testimonies or some of the reviews. If you go to Amazon, there is a very huge section for reviews page or ratings page.
Yeah.
That will increase social proof. So that's what gets people to convert on your page.
Yeah. And not just that, right? I think one really powerful thing is this. Always remember that images tells 1,000 words, or videos can tell maybe 10,000 words. Assuming if you have a product, I will always tell the people that when they're building their page, right, the images, the videos is for the visitors of the page to imagine themselves using this product, is to imagine themselves seeing the outcome of this product. And I think social proof is one way to reaffirm that, but not just that. You need to help these customers or these visitors imagine themselves using this and imagine themselves being transformed by what you're offering them.
Yeah, that is a great point, especially if you're doing e-commerce. I think one person told me that always put the product, always have as many images of the product as possible.
Yes.
And like for example, if you were selling this mic, put the mic next to a water bottle, so people know like how big and what is the size of the mic. So put as much information as you can, from your customer testimonies to product features,
Yes.
to anything that can increase the chances of you converting. So that's all from me.
Yeah, I think that's all from me as well. I think these are some of the crucial things that people often missed out on. So if you guys have any questions that you want to ask us, feel free to join our next digital marketing lab, and we'll see you there for the next episode.